Khleang is a village in Cambodia, situated on Tonle Sap Lake. Most of the community lives in stilt houses. This creates a new feeling. Kampong Khleang is a must visit during your trip to Cambodia. But what's the best time to visit Kampong Khleang? Climate influence on September. To choose the best time to visit, it is good to understand a little more about the climate in Cambodia. The climate has a great impact on Tonle Sap Lake. Cambodia has a dry and humid period. During the dry period, December to April, the water flows from the Tonle Sap River back to the Mekong River. This is visible in the capital, Phnom Penh. As of May, the wet season begins. The water level in the Mekong rises, and the water returns to Lake Tonle Sap. During the rainy season, Tonle Sap becomes the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia. Living in Kampong Khleang, the coast of Tonle Sap, Kampong Khleang lies on the shore of the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia. With over 10,000 people, it is the largest community on the banks of Tonle Sap. On arrival, you will notice the houses on stilts and obvious clothes to keep your feet dry during the rainy season. In the dry season, people mob on the land. When the water level increases in the wet season, motor vehicles are replaced by boats. Best time to visit Kampong Khleang. Perhaps you wonder what the best time is to visit Kampong Khleang. The span between the wet and dry seasons is incomparable. Great transformation. The village is always accessible. On the dry season on land, and during the wet season by boat. Choose your own preference and decide what is your best time to visit. Tet Yumit the Water Festival, one of the biggest festivals in Cambodia, is it all about Tonle Sap Lake. It's 3 days in October or November. The exact dates are determined based on the direction of the water flow. Activity in agriculture and fisheries. When the lake overflows, the floodplain will contain lots of nutrient-rich soil for the fish. The fish can fall from the ski trees once the water withdraws. The lake makes a great contribution to fishing, but in addition, the environment becomes very fertile. You will discover different farming activities. People live in floating villages, such as a small Vietnamese community outside Kampong Khleang. Visit Kampong Khleang. Southwest Tourism Cambodia (S.T.C) organizes a daily trip to Kampong Khleang, an exceptional village on small wooden posts. You will be picked up in the morning. Shortly after getting on the back and quickly track the red fields to a local market. Before you know, the vehicle tour is over. You're sipping a coconut and getting ready to go to Kampong Khleang. You will have lunch at a local family's house, walk between stilt houses, depending on the water level, and take the boat. The tour really shows how locals live, is versatile, and well organized, highly recommended.